Good day, travelers. Want to use your Hawaiian Miles to book flights on Alaska Airlines? In this video, we're walking you through exactly how to transfer or redeem and maximize your miles across both airlines. So firstly, guys, you need to verify your accounts. Make sure you have active linked accounts with both Hawaiian Miles and Alaska Mileage Plan. Access the Hawaiian Miles website or app. Log in and then go to Partners, then Transfer Miles. After that, on the Partners page, select Alaska Airlines and choose your flight. You'll see how many Hawaiian Miles are needed for redemption, typically close to the Alaska award chart. Confirm your booking and pay any taxes or fees. Your Hawaiian Miles will convert based on partner rates, then apply directly to the Alaska operated flight. After booking, you'll receive an Alaska confirmation number. Make sure your Alaska number is added to the reservation to track your trip. If you're looking to move miles the other way, from Alaska to Hawaiian, you can't directly transfer, but you can redeem Alaska miles on Hawaiian flights via Alaska's Partner Award Search. And that's it. You've just unlocked a smart way to leverage your Hawaiian miles on Alaska Airlines. If this guide helped you, make sure to support us by hitting that like button and, of course, subscribing to the channel for more travel tips. See you soon.